already coming at us, or are they going away from us?
They're going away.
You know, it's been a long, long time since we've gone up there, several years.
Yeah. It's been a while since we've been up there.
I caught a pretty large one up here. Certainly it's about the size of that one. They're all about the same size up here. I don't know why. The cat's one of those. They're all fairly large. Yeah, you don't have to go way over the Hinchinbrook. The thing I don't like about that area is just it's not, it just drops off so quickly. Yeah, around Montague on the north side, it's all muddy, and then on the other side, it drops straight down deep, like real fast. And there's only around the tip, Schooner Rock, and some of these other areas where.
There's only one spot seems like it.
Yeah. Well, last time we were over there, we did pretty good. We caught 2 nice ones, but it's pretty exposed.
Yeah.
You get some, like long fetches of water. So tonight it's gonna get that storm's supposed to come in, huh?
Yeah. But they said 6.6, 4.6.
Tomorrow, yeah.
Like that.
That's way out there though. We'll just see the normal, 20 knot gusts, 45 knot gusts. There's no doubt about it, fall storms. But those halibut are pulling those carcasses up north. They're pulling the salmon carcasses.